Lecon finally kissed Erica. Lecon reveals that he kissed Erica in his dream. Lecon confessed this to Atoni while talking about his emotion towards Erica in the house. The Big Brother Naija housemate, who became popular for his singing skills and his undying love for Erica, was lamenting how emotionally unsettled the whole situation between him and Erica makes him. In his words, Erica's issues to him now is more tiring than interesting. Lecon kisses Erica, narrates how it happened. The Big Brother Naija housemate Lecon said he had a clear dream where he kissed Erica in reality. According to him, he had a chance to do so before, but did not because she was drunk. He made reference to a party night they had in the house when Erica was drunk. Watoni, however, told him that he is dreaming of Erica because he has been thinking of her a lot lately. So guys, we thought Lecon was over Erica, but from the look of things, from what we can hear him say right now, I feel Lecon is still into Erica, and this will be very, very difficult. So guys, what do you think of Lecon's feelings for Erica? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.